Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Conversation AI workflow to book appointments in GoHighLevel. This powerful automation feature allows you to set up an intelligent bot that can handle appointment bookings through customer conversations, saving you time and streamlining your scheduling process across multiple channels. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in to your GoHighLevel account if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access Agency View. Click on the top navigation or profile area to switch to Agency View. If you're already in Agency View, you can skip this step and move forward. Now on the left navigation panel, click on Automation. This will direct you to the workflow page where all your automation magic happens. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Create Workflow. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear. From this menu, select Start from Scratch. This gives you a clean slate to build your Conversation AI workflow exactly how you need it. Next, you'll enter the initial trigger that will activate your Conversation AI. On the right side panel, use the search box to find the trigger named Customer Replied. This trigger ensures the AI responds when a customer engages with your business. Click on this trigger to add it as your first step, then click Save Trigger. Now click on the plus icon to add your next step. This is where the real automation begins. Select Appointment Booking Conversation AI Bot from the options. You'll be presented with several fields to fill in, including action name and calendar. Make sure to select an active calendar here, as this is where your appointments will actually be scheduled. Take a moment to read through the personality settings of this AI, followed by the additional instructions field. These settings determine how your bot communicates with customers, so it's important to review them to ensure they match your brand voice. Next, set the maximum message limit before the system considers the appointment not booked. This prevents endless conversation loops. Then set the timeout value and unit, which determines how long the bot will wait for a customer response before moving to the next action. Now select the channels where the AI bot will operate. You can choose from Facebook, Instagram, SMS, or WhatsApp, depending on where your customers engage with you. If needed, toggle on the option that says "Don't let this bot send confirmation messages." Once everything is configured, click Save Action. You'll now be presented with 3 branches representing different outcomes. Under the Timeout branch, add the next step as Delete Contact to clean up unresponsive leads. Under the Appointment Was Booked branch, add the step Appointment Status, and from your right panel, set the status as Confirmed. Under the Appointment Not Booked branch, add the step Appointment Status and set the status as Cancelled. Save action in each of these steps, then save this entire workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.